In our video today, I want to take you through the process of company registration as regulated by the Uganda Registration Services Bureau. The law recognizes several categories, but the most common types include a private company limited by shares, which limits shareholder liability to the unpaid amount on their shares, and a company limited by guarantee, often preferred by non-profit organizations such as clubs or societies. There is also a provision for public companies which can invite the public to subscribe for shares, and foreign companies which register their branches in Uganda. Determining the type of company is one of the crucial requirements. It dictates the internal governance structure, compliance obligations, and financial disclosure requirements. Once the business owner identifies the suitable type of company, the next stage is name reservation, a legal requirement that ensures proposed company name is unique and not misleading. The Uganda Registration Services Bureau allows applicants to submit preferred name through its online system, and after a brief assessment, a name reservation certificate is issued. The certificate usually is valid for 30 days, protects the selected name from being claimed by another applicant during the registration process. Name reservation is an important step because it establishes the identity of the company and becomes the foundation upon which all official documents are prepared. After securing the name of the company, the promoters proceed to prepare the necessary incorporation documents. These include the Memorandum of Association, which outlines the company's objectives and defines the nature of its activities, and also the Articles of Association, which regulates the company's internal management, from decision-making process to the roles of directors and shareholders. Additional structure forms such as the particulars of directors and secretaries, and the statement of nominal share capital, and the notice of the registration office are also completed. These documents capture essential information about ownership, governance, and operation, forming the background of the company's legal identity. With the documents in place, the applicants must then pay the required registration and stamp duty fees, which vary depending on the nature of the share and share capital of the company. Stamp duty, assessed at 1% of the nominal share capital, is paid through the Uganda Revenue Authority, while registration fees are paid directly to the Uganda Registration Services Bureau. Once payments are made, the documents are submitted either physically at Uganda Registration Services Bureau office, electronically through their online portal. URSB reserves the document to ensure compliance with the law, verifies the identities of shareholders and directors, and confirms that the company structures meet statutory requirements. After successful verification, the URSB issues the coveted certificate of incorporation, which officially marks the birth of the company. This certificate grants the entity with legal personality, meaning that it can sue and be sued on its own name and enter into contracts in its name. Alongside the certificate, URSB returns certified copies of memorandum and articles of association, also called MEMATs, and the relevant statutory forms. However, incorporation is not the end of the journey. The newly registered company must take additional steps, including obtaining a tax identification number (TIN) from URA, opening a company bank account, and acquiring a trading license or sector-specific permits depending on the nature of its operations. These post-incorporation obligations ensure the company is fully compliant to operate within the broader economic framework.